So we're in the ante-kitchen at the new Atelier Restaurant to open November 12th. And we have, introduce yourselves.
I'm Marc Lepine, the chef and owner.
I'm Sarah Allen, chef de cuisine.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm Michael Holland, pastry chef.
Mm-hmm. And how is this going to be different than what we are used to when we go out on a Friday night for dinner?
Oh, it's not going to be that different. It's going to be pretty much the same as any other restaurant you would go to in the city, I would say.
Oh, really?
Other than the fact there's, the menu, I guess, is a little different in that we're serving a progression of 12 courses as opposed to an a la carte menu. That's the main thing.
Kitchen is slightly different from typical. A little different.
We don't see a single gas burner.
No, that was the idea with the setup of the kitchen. We have, there's no gas lines, there's no stove, oven, grill, deep fryer, all that type of thing. All small movable pieces, single hob induction surfaces, pressure cookers, immersion circulators, and the like. A Thermomix, of course. Things that can be moved around, tucked away if we don't need them, pulled out when we need them.
Mm-hmm. And that can all be done without conventional propane, gas?
Yep, the idea is that it's a lot more efficient, a lot more convenient. Although a lot of people would think of it as being less convenient, it's actually more convenient in terms of working space.
And how will this be an interactive menu? What's the concept that way?
Interactive portion, I guess, it's like the soup that we were doing earlier. We've had these test tube spoons designed. This is the base is a potato soup that everyone gets, just a simple, milky, salty, rich potato soup. And each guest at your table is going to receive different ingredients in the tube of the handle. In the handle,
built right.
Spoon.
These are custom-made spoons.
Yes, by Wingspan Design. And so today we've done walnut powder. Someone else at your table might have crab pieces. Somebody may have bacon. Consomme, or stuff like that. Everyone's got different textures and different flavors of ingredients. So my potato soup would then be turned into a bacon soup. This one would be turned into a walnut soup. Somebody else at my table would have a crab and potato chowder kind of idea. And then you can mix and match. If you want bacon and crab while you're sharing with your guests. Very interactive, kind of forces the diners to interact with each other a little bit, which makes for a more pleasurable dining experience altogether.
Mm-hmm.
In terms of the food, the thing that defines our food is, I suppose, I mean, everyone is trying to use more locally sourced food and all that kind of thing. It's kind of something that should go without saying at the higher end level. We'd like to take that a step a little bit further and use ingredients that we actually, pick ourselves and forage for and that kind of thing. Like ash berries. It's from mountain ash trees. They're a tart berry. You wait until there's a few frosts. You can see a few of them have shriveled a little bit, and they concentrate the sugars a little bit more. And these are great just used in a sauce with meat for pork or something like that because of the tartness.
The menu will be changing.
There are small changes to the menu daily based on what ingredients are coming into the kitchen at that time of year, that particular week, based on just new. We're always experimenting in here, so with things like fish tank pumps, and so when we discover a new piece of equipment or a new technique or something like that, we work it out so that we can actually put it on the menu. Again, changes based on that.
Technically,
with the 2 spoons.
well, no, you couldn't classify caramel and bacon.
It's
They go together. There's
Yes,
no
that's what I
classical
mean.
connection. There is much community.
Okay, I think I've done it. Let's see.
The classic.
Just a
You
minute.
can do the classic. Bacon.
Sarah, check this out. Sarah.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, one more time.
That's crazy.
One more time.
I want to do like a peanut butter and banana truffle, but I'm going to roll it in bacon bits. So I figure out a way to how it as well. So you can do, like you see the recipe,
Good.
I'll show you. You can make it in crumbled almost like paper, but it's crispy. So it's like paper thin, so it's easy to break apart.
Guys, check this out. When we serve, when it runs out to the dining room, the bubbles will be like disappearing. Look at this.
Okay, Sarah, if you could tell us how we create the menu.
What we've done, well, at least with the starting menu, is we went out to the farmers markets, we contacted the farms whose meats we're using. We got all of our stuff in, and I wrote down inventory of what we had, and we created the menu from literally what we had. Instead of, normally you would make a dish and then you would call up Cisco and say, bring me some asparagus for my dish. We've just picked the things that are right now available from our farmers and created dishes out of those.
So this is not the restaurant to come to for asparagus in February.
No, it's not.
thank you very much for being on Omnivores Ottawa, and all best success to you.
Thank you.